Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and today we will be drawing a winner for our contest video that was posted on October 14th. Now, the gist of the contest was you were just supposed to say something awesome about your day, but I'll accept any type of positive comment that you wrote in the comment section. Just to remind everybody that we are giving away these French snack boxes here, and we're calling them snack boxes because if you remember back in April we had the issue with Customs, and Customs destroyed a lot of the rations and they removed the mains, and some of these are not for sale, and we thought it would be more fun to give them away. So if you look in the box for these, I had to put a note in to explain what these rations were about, and you have everything that would normally be inside a French ration except the mains. We have the biscuits, we have the chocolate bars, we have the muesli, we have the cocos and accessory pack, we have soup, we have the pâtés, we have the desserts. It's just that we don't have the mains, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 more of these that we're going to give away. So this is the prize. The computer's in there, and let's go pick a winner. All right, we are here at the computer, and let's see if we can pick ourselves a winner. Everybody say it together. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well, congratulations, Ryan Olson. Another great review. Art looked like everything in that MRE looked tasty. Had my oldest son's 9th birthday party today. We went out and played laser tag, ate pizza, and had an angel food cake for dessert. It was a great day. It sounds like a great day, Ryan, and you are our winner. So you're going to get the bell. So Ryan Olson, here's what you do. You will send me an email to Nina at info@ForeignMRE. You will send an email to me at info@ForeignMRE.com, and you will send me your mailing information, and I will get your prize out to you. Congratulations, Ryan Olson, and thanks to everyone for participating in our contest, and we're going to have another one real soon. Bye-bye.